Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
And for those of you avoiding the panic shopping and trying to get the shopping done today, it will be a nice day for shopping. Now, if you're heading up to the Boston area, you may run into a little bit of snow. You could see that band of snow now moving in from the north shore of Massachusetts, and it may clip the Boston metro area, places like Braintree, Quincy, big shopping malls there, and that will occur here over the next couple hours. So just use some caution if you're heading up to the Boston metro area. But for our local spots, Providence Place, places like that will be looking okay. We could get clipped by a few flurries. That would be about it. Most of us will stay completely dry. Wind chills, yeah, they're not that pleasant right now. 20 in Smithfield, 22 Newport, 26 in Westerly, and actual temperatures in the upper 20s to around 30 degrees. We're 28 in Smithfield, 32 Newport, and 30 in New Bedford. A beautiful looking sunrise here with blue skies overhead. Temperature is again 31 in Providence. Winds out of the northwest at 9 miles an hour. So again, not that strong, but strong enough to put a bite in the air. It's all because the center of low pressure still has not completely left us just yet. You can see it spinning off to our north, and eventually this pushes out of the way. As that happens, temperatures will warm behind it, but for today we'll be dealing with the breezes and some cloud cover from time to time. Temperature-wise, very similar by location at the south coast and inland spots, which I'll show you in just a second. Here's our Futurecast showing you the clouds, and off and on throughout the day we see a few of these clouds, perhaps a stray flurry, most likely here in Bristol County, Massachusetts, out towards the Cape. And then deeper into the evening, I'm showing you this because we do have the Gemini meteor showers going on tonight. I am expecting a decent amount of clearing. I say decent because there will be some low clouds from time to time. You can see this little swath of clouds trying to move in from Connecticut. This is around 11:30 tonight. So there will be periods where your view is blocked a bit, but I do think some decent viewing of that meteor shower tonight. As for this afternoon's temperatures, a few degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday, going with around 41 degrees, and at 1 p.m. we'll sit around 40 with about half and half between the clouds and the sun. Now, temperatures by location will be in the low 40s here inland, very similar here at the south coast as well, westerly around 40, 41 degrees for the early afternoon. And then tonight, temperatures dipping back into the 20s and then back into the mid-30s by around 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. So, you know, typical December weather for the morning temperatures. The Eyewitness News Threat Tracker not showing any severe weather over the next several days. You can see we are in the low category all the way through next week. And speaking of next week, I've carefully built this temperature graph because, as you know, I love graphs. And notice what happens. I mentioned how the weather was kind of like a step ladder. Each day we step up just a little bit with our temperatures. 43 tomorrow, 45 on Monday, up to 46 on Tuesday, and then we drop off just a little bit on Wednesday down to the mid-40s. As for the weather that's occurring on those days, it'll be mostly sunny tomorrow. Great news if you're heading to the Patriots game. Temperatures in the low 40s at around kickoff. A little cool for the tailgating, so obviously the hats, gloves, Patriots jacket, a good thing to bring. On Monday, we get up to 45 again with the sunshine. Now on Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, there could be a few rain or snow showers. At this point, it looks like the bulk of this storm system will actually miss us. Could get clipped by a few showers on Wednesday, but there may be a decent-sized storm just off to our north and east from northern New England as we go into the middle and end of next week. But again, it looks like that storm will kind of hop right past us. At least that's the outlook for now, but obviously if that changes, we will keep you updated. But acceptable temperatures on the way for the next couple days.
And after all that rain we had, that is just a joy of a 7-day forecast.
Yes, it is.
Totally
I almost forgot where I put my sunglasses the past couple days, but get those back out again.
Sounds good. Thank you, Pete.
Yep.
Covering New England this morning, hundreds of demonstrators marched through Cambridge last night. They were protesting